Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add shadow in a text in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, I have added shadow in my text. So how we can create? Let's restart from the beginning. I will delete this text and we will create a new. Now simply come here in the text area and write here shadow. Now I will make it bigger. Now as you can see here, I have text but without shadow. Now in Photoshop, you will see here on the right side layers option. If you are not getting this area, layers area, you can simply press F7 button from your keyboard. As you can see, it disappears, and if I press F7 it will show again. And if still you are not getting this, you can simply come here in the Windows option and you can select layers option. Now right click on that in this text here, in this text layer, click here on, you have to search for blending options. Now in blending options you will see lots of options here, but what we have to do is we need shadow, so we'll click on drop shadow. And you can see here I have shadow, but we have to design this shadow where exactly we need and which color we need. We can also change the color and size of the shadow. After clicking here, again click in this area and you will see here menu for the shadow. If you want to change the color, you can change color. As you can see, we will click blue and you can see I have blue shadow. And if you click here blend mode, I can click on multiply, or you can leave it as normal. Now where we need, we can change angle. As you can see here, we can change the angles, 360 angles. Now there's another setting, as you can see here, distance. Now we can change the distance of the shadow and we can spread. As you can see, it is now smaller, we can spread it more. Now here size you can adjust. As you can see here, we have size, it is now very big. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo for more educational and tricky videos. Thank you.